Scotty, what you got?
Well, now that we have 6 eyes.
6 eyes, oh yeah.
We got 6 eyes, hold on. We got 6 eyes.
You have 4, I have 2, and then the camera counts as 2.
Yeah. Okay, so. You've been tackling this for a while.
Yes, we've been working on this hooker for a while.
Well,
pulling my hair out, chasing shit, wringing it out.
I'm trying to figure out.
Camera. Giving you shit.
Yeah, sorry about that.
I'm giving you shit.
I never said I was the brightest tool in the crayon box. Okay, so.
You like crayons? Don't eat them.
Purple tastes the best with chocolate. Okay, so this runs over to. Let me start at the beginning. This was plugged into the light down here for the footwell on this side.
Yeah, courtesy light.
This was plugged into constant.
I'm not getting fresh. I'm just sitting
You're
down
fine.
better.
I don't mind that you get fresh. It's okay. Oh, your check makes it through the bank every week, so I'm not worried. This was plugged into constant on the fuse panel. Okay, so that's going to send power to absolutely every single socket.
Yep.
Fair enough.
Constantly.
So we have our ground, which I lost the other half. Don't ask me. It's in there somewhere, but I lost it.
We got to fish it out.
Okay.
There's a lot of
So
fishing
we're going to start from scratch. Tack. Positive and negative bottom, driver's side.
Yeah, those go the
Cluster.
amp meter, and that powers everything else.
Correct. Now, the one thing I did notice.
Be very, very careful.
Yes. I would very much like to see if the owner of this car can get a new one of these printed up.
Oh, that's cute. Yeah, the board's
it's destroyed.
Funk.
Okay, but
and it was funk
what's not there?
with. Yeah.
There's no connection there.
On that regulator, which is the main power regulator for the instruments.
Okay, but
and that has an ignition feed, so that needs a keyed hot. Oh, hey, look, a keyed hot. I wonder if that's supposed to be hooked to that, and then that's supposed to be somewhere else.
Possibly. It's a thought. I mean, we're fixing however many mechanics, excluding you, got into this, and the previous owner had how many toggle switches labeled for everything under the sun?
2 or 3, but they were all daisy chained on the
spliced into absolutely everything.
Ow, my knees.
So we still have all of his crap that we're attempting to fix at the exact same time as fixing it properly and diagnosing what is going on with every single piece.
Yeah.
So this one won't stay in, this one won't stay in.
And those are all new, and
these
I've
are all
ordered
wrong.
those. And those are the only ones you can get.
And these are wrong.
There's half and 5/8, and they probably need 3/4, but nobody has the 3/4.
Well, somebody melted that one.
Oh, that's cute. That's an OG one.
Yeah. So what we may have to do,
get the printed board. That's easy.
Well, that'll be easy enough to do. I mean,
I've done those in moments.
Is see if there's a Javelin group.
There is.
Or hit the junkyard.
There ain't none on the junkyard, I'll tell you.
You never know. You never know what you're going to find until you look. And see if we can't get some of these factory original sockets. Or the aftermarket reprints.
The ones that were supposed to be there are 3/4.
Yeah.
And no one makes them. But I'm hunting.
Yeah, we'll find them.
I've still been hunting. I've been hunting for a while.
Okay, so let's get this back in its safe place.
Would you like
It needs a safe place.
Would you like a blanket for that? And we can wrap it and sit it in the back seat.
Okay, so chasing wires. There's a whole lot of.
There's that orange mess underneath, which we found yesterday.
Right, which I still have no clue where that runs through here.
Because the diagram does not elaborate. Neither diagram.
So I have to put that one back. But it's pretty much going to be hit and miss for a while. I'm trying to avoid taking all of this out on the center console.
Yeah.
I truly am. But as I'm staring in, I see a whole lot of
shit tangled about because it's been out prior before I even got to it.
Duct tape.
Yeah, that's not us.
No, we don't do that.
No, that's
duct tape pile 1, duct tape pile 2.
That edge. Oop, there comes.
Okay, here we go, people. Let's see if
Show
you
a
can.
little.
I think you
Show
can.
us,
There we
yeah.
go. There we go. So we have duct tape pile 1, duct tape pile 2, and if we look down here, we got a gray.
Is that the one that's soldered right there? I'm looking at.
Uh,
That looks like shit.
no, that one needs to be fixed as well.
Yeah.
This one is a duct taped gray. I'm sorry, electrically taped gray onto a blue.
Ooh, that's scary already.
Yeah, so that's automatically, that's a no-no. So we're going to have to do some color chasing on top of cleaning, disassembly, and double checking. So I found where the passenger side light door jamb switch comes through, which is over to here, which
right.
now people can see because they couldn't before. So it runs into here,
I'm assuming.
onto this screwy connector here. Everything's screwy to me lately, so just bear with me. So we know that's there, and we're chasing. I've got to take this off of here and put it onto the dome light spot, and then we're going to add power to everything again
And try it.
and see if we're going to see if that's the problem. I doubt it.
Bobbidi-boo.
I know, right? It's me, Mario. Yeah.
Sorry.
So let's see what we've got, and we'll get back to you guys as soon as we know more. All right, later.